Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to send a delivery note format 1 Jasper report through WhatsApp in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the respective shipment or job. Now, the job page will be displayed on the screen. On this page, we have to click on this report button. On this list of reports page, we have to select the required report format. Now we have to click on the WhatsApp icon. Here we have to add the country code with the mobile number. Then we have to click on the send button to send the report. This is how to send a delivery note format 1 Jasper report through WhatsApp in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.